Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet.
Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
A.
Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
A.
It followed her to school one day, school one day,
B.
school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children
B.
laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play
C.
to see a lamb at school.
C.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it
D.
out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about,
D.
patiently about, and waited
Red color.
patiently
Red color.
till Mary did appear.
Orange color.
Orange color.
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Why does the lamb
Blue
love
color.
Mary so?
Blue color.
Mary so, Mary so.
Green color.
Does the lamb
Green
love
color.
Mary so? The eager
Purple color.
cry.
Purple color.
Mary loves the lamb.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Lamb, you know why
Brown color.
Brown color.
the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little
A for
lamb, its
apple.
fleece was white as snow.
A for apple.
B for ball. C for cat. For doll.
B for ball. C for cat. D for doll.
A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D. Thank you. See you soon.